Okay, so we got some packing material. Green cell foam. Dissolve in water, compost, or burn foam. Burn the foam panels. What we're going to do today is we're going to take this foam, cut it into the right pieces. Let me show you. Okay, so I lined this box with this foam. I got a piece for the top right here. It's going to go right in there. If you noticed, I left a piece over here that's not insulated because I'm going to put a hole right there and make it an insulated birdhouse. It's about 10 degrees outside. The birds are freezing out there. Let's make them a house. And reuse the cellulose packing material. A little Gorilla Tape to secure the insulation on the sides. Now let's put this top piece in. Let's close it up. It's pretty tight. Now we're just going to put a hole on the side over here. Birdhouse. Use the handy dandy box cutter. Make a rough circle. Cut a little piece of foam. And we'll put it right there so they can land on it and then go inside. A little double-sided tape. Commercial size. Commercial grade. Looking pretty good. Looking pretty good. Home sweet home. I think it's ready. You can see all that insulation inside. We're going to have some nice, toasty, warm birds. Added a cardboard roof. Keep the rain out. And I put some duct tape for waterproofing. Because that cellulose will dissolve in water. But it's very warm for the birds tonight. Let's see how it works. Home sweet home. There it is. Home sweet home. It's pretty good looking. Let's hang it up. There's last year's house. Looks like the squirrels were biting a hole to lay some babies in there. But I just saw a house sparrow come out of there, so they're still using it. But now they got this new home sweet home. Yeah, that's looking pretty terrible. Look at the size of that hole. No bird is safe in there. Let's try this new spot this year. They'll be right next to all the roses and the figs. This is grapes right here. This is figs. Fig tree right here again. Let's see if they like it right here. Let's check it out in the next video. You'll see them move in it probably. Sparrows have already approached. Let's see how it goes.